Alright, well, I just got over here to my raccoon trap, and we've got one in here, and I've got this old trusty piece. This is a H&R. Not doing too good on the video today, am I? But anyway, we got one in here, and he's tore up a whole bunch of stuff. Yeah, are you a mean one? I don't know how mean you are. Yeah, he's growling at me. Are you growling at me? Alright, well, sorry to tell you, but your day is over. Oh, I don't think it killed him. I don't think that one did either. Sometimes it ain't easy. That got him. That got him. Got him right in the neck on that one. Just make sure here, we got 6. Now, y'all can say whatever you want. I don't really give a shit. I caught a lot of hell in that other video, but that's how we do it over here. Oh, spring turkey season's gonna be coming in here in a few months, and yeah, they won't be eating no eggs between now and then. So, all right, well, that's good enough for today. As a matter of fact, that one, he died a lot quicker than that one I shot with the 22 rifle. If you've seen that video, if you didn't see it, go check it out on there. But yeah, I've seen guys say all kind of things on there, like, how do you kill them without ruining the hide? Well, you can hit them with a club or choke them out with a choke stick or whatever you want to do, but I ain't keeping hides because the prices ain't worth a shit. But anyway, all right. Well, catch you later. Don't forget to go watch our other videos. One of these days I'm gonna cook one of these bad boys. So see you later.